Hi guys, welcome back, and to my subscribers, how you doing? See, if you subscribe to my channel, you get an extra joy reading. Why not subscribe down below for more extra joy readings? And let's go. So today, we've got something very special, Instagram comedy. 45 million posts on Instagram, and you might be like, if there's 45 million posts, there must be some good content out there. Something that's good. And that's definitely what I thought, until I looked at the hashtag. Okay, there's some girl with her ass out. And how is that comedy? Is that how easy comedy is? Maybe I'm just trying too hard, maybe I'm just like writing jokes, scripting, thinking of different things to say. Maybe I'm just doing it wrong, This girl just sticks her ass out and that's it, that's pure gold comedy. That's the new standard of comedy. She's redefining comedy, But who am I? I'm just like some shitty old teenager. Again, what is this with these sexual posts? I'm not gonna show them, but there's like so many. Okay, Friends. Okay, Friends is good show. Okay, that's comedy. Okay, TikTok comedy, that's kind of good. I also do. Let's look at comedy videos. 1.4 million videos. The top story is like and comment. I will soon drop the video. Such a nice way to set up a standard for your relationship. Ask them which person in real life they would smash or not, and then if that doesn't do enough damage to your relationship, go ahead and put her on a lie detector test just so she can be embarrassed in front of the whole world. Got 18,000 views. Right. Definitely. Ah, lip sync. So comedic. Like, okay, so where's the joke? I mean, this is just really sad if this actually happens to you in real life, because your boyfriend doesn't listen to you and you've been with him 5 years according to the caption, and that's just the saddest thing ever. And you just go, I'm good. And what's with the angles? They're like this. Yes. They sit like this. Like, yes, I'm playing a video game. They're like the less cuter versions of Dobby. Yeah. I've gone crazy. I've definitely gone crazy. And the problem is I have to save these so I can like download these later, and it's just like a pain in the ass, because like I don't want to have these in my saved, even though my saved has like 1.4 million posts probably, but I don't want to have this in my saved. This corrupts it. This is the bad apple. Again, this is not a video. Neither is this comedy piece. It's just a celebrity. So am I? Okay, so technically I'm a YouTuber. YouTubers sometimes called celebrities. So I'm a celebrity. So I'm technically funny, So bye-bye to all my haters. I'm a celebrity and I'm funny because of it. First of all, if you make TikToks like that, why would a girl date you? Just, she wouldn't. And second of all, girls don't do that. That's just plain old sexism. Let's go through this guy's account, Let's just look through it. Official so hilarious. I mean, that wasn't that funny, but just because you added a soundtrack where the baby goes it just... Are these all his TikToks? Isn't that what you have for a TikTok account? You were just repurposing. And 20,000 views? I paid money to get that sort of views, and I didn't even get that. Just FYI, by paid money I meant an advertisement. So don't come at me with the fake followers or anything, because I'm gonna bleh. Official so hilarious. I thought it's gonna be like officially funny. Like the legislature was funny. Like there was some law which said so hilarious account of this dude. It's officially hilarious. It's so hilarious. I died. This dude probably killed millions. That's why this is law. No? But I gotta see the proof. I gotta see the documents. This is an insult to the song Bella Ciao. This is an insult. I participated in that trend. Proof right here.
Lassù in montagna, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 seppellire lassù in montagna, sotto l'ombra di un bel fior.
Respected it. Like, this is the dude singing, for God's sake. It doesn't, it's not fair, you know. Like, these dudes are just so stupid, and they're not even stupid. I'm pretty sure they know what they're doing. Just these people make such horrible content, and they just don't put an effort into it, and they get like thousands of views just because Instagram's stupid. Yes, Instagram is stupid. Controversial opinion. But yes, Instagram is stupid. Controversial opinion. And just, I wish I could get those sort of views. If I got 20,000 views on a video, I would be crying out of happiness. I would be like, I'm happy. Thank you guys. You know, this dude, the thing is, he doesn't make half bad content, you know. Just sometimes just make such content that just sours the taste, you know. And that's what I don't get, like, these people can make such good content. So I realized I'm being a hypocrite because I make horrible TikToks sometimes. Content doesn't have to be good all the time, but it was for the joke, so just deal with it. Again, why are there so many pictures of Akshay Kumar in the section comedy videos? They're not relevant. Akshay Kumar is not that funny, and even if he made a joke, you put the goddamn joke. A person just smiling in front of the camera is not funny unless until you find just pictures funny. Like, you see someone smiling and you just go The thing you wouldn't find funny is passport size photos, which I guess you shouldn't because everyone looks like drug dealers. But where did this tangent go? Basically, TikTok has taken over the Instagram comedy videos. How is this funny? A dude hitting on his girlfriend, I see him? That's not funny. That's just an invasion of privacy. This is pure cold comedy, you know. Like, I was making fun of all these videos before, but this is actually amazing. This is in the comedies video section, and basically it's a bunch of pictures, a bunch of tweets, right, on Instagram, and that's very fun, right? Like, just be all up over the social medias. That's good. And it said, I dedicate myself to you. Just show me the love I always wanted. You love to soundtrack. Nobody cares as much as I wanted them to. Yes, it's definitely funny. If you're a sociopath, also hit me up with a pic for a rate 1 to 10. So basically, you're rating people. That's so not on borderline body shaming. Just maybe, you know, just maybe. It's just a song. Let's summarize. Celebrities, especially Akshay Kumar, broken-hearted tweets. Music, apparently, with our pictures are funny now. So if you want to be a comedian, take notes right now. Note these 3 things down because these 3 things are gonna redefine how people find funny things. And you know, official so hilarious is of legally hilarious, you know. Take a note, okay? So legally hilarious. So just so you know, you wanna take notes from some guy that's officially legal, you know, like not just like some random bloke, like he's not some, you know, random bloke who's not even funny like Kanan Gill. Yeah, he's officially hilarious, okay? So you better go follow him if you don't already, okay? Because I'm gonna come to your house and kill you if you don't. Or he will, you know, both ways goes. The same thing. Although in seriousness, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe down below. You know, if you subscribe, you're automatically a Dalmatian because we are 101 subscribers as of now. So we're all Dalmatians now, right? And I'm Cruella de Vil, capturing all of you, right? So I'm Cruella de Vil, and if you legally want to be a Dalmatian, go ahead and click the subscribe button and comment down below what you thought of the video. Like the video, like I already said before, and share it with your friends if you can, you know, because spread some joy, spread some criticism, I guess. Spread some joy and criticism, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.